Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show here how to distort image. First of all, what you're gonna do is about understand something that is converting image to a vector via plugin. So what you're gonna do is about understand through something that we're gonna see. So I will go here and click on file and then click on place image, and then starting with a certain square or certain shape, and this is ready to be satisfied with this progress. As you can see about this kind of the blue image, and this will be about really in front of that, as you can see, is really to be satisfied with this moment, as you can understand about it, and this is gonna be really satisfied with a certain important part that is really to be going on with the storing. So we can start to use the skew date or using perspective mockups. So you can use this whether this or this. So we're gonna start to use first the skew. Then as you can see, you're gonna start to use the side of horizontal thing or that vertical thing. So this is how you start to control the vector or the store image. Or you're gonna start to use the mockups. As you can see, you're gonna start to add another one. We can go back and this doesn't appearing. So that is all about to help you.